Hi there guys and gals, good day to each every one of you. Join me for my lunch. Not so late lunch. I have here a omelette. See that? You love it? Come on. Be the first one to taste, be the first one to bite. And I have here a mackerel, sardines mackerel. For my day 23, guys and gals. So hungry. Come on, join me here. Of not eating meat like pork, beef, chicken. Come on. You like tutong? What's tutong in English? It's just like a burned rice. Sorry. Before you proceed to eat, you have to make sign of the cross, okay? Mm. 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 Guys, you can make this also. You still have 22 days to go before you have your penitence, or you may call it here in everywhere that what's that? I forgot. Abstinence. Love it. Love it. Bye for now.